Okay, I'm going to show you how the Geissele reaction rod works with the barrel. The barrel itself, the notches on the inside of the barrel right there, fit into the notches on the Geissele reaction rod. This is what holds the barrel in place. Various different angles, it doesn't matter. You just put it in there and it'll hold it. What you do is you put the receiver on the rod, and then you slip the barrel onto the Geissele reaction rod, have it meet up like that, and then that's secure. Now, this is your barrel nut assembly. When you take your barrel apart, this is a loose piece. Now, you won't be able to move it past that because you have an A2 front sight blocked here, okay? But what you can do is you'll be able to move it and wiggle it back and forth like this. This turns down by hand like this, okay? And you can tension this right up until it gets firm like that. Then you can take your tool, and you can see these scallops right there. You take your tool and you can use your tool up against this. It'll fit right into the scallop, and then all you have to do is tighten this down and bring it so that one of the notches, this notch, lines up with the top. Come around here on this side. And you can see these notches here. This is your scallop, okay? And you are going to make that fit and then bring it so that you can tighten this down and bring it to 60 pounds. Now, about 60 pounds will line that up with that hole in the upper receiver where the rod goes through. There's three things that you have to line up. You have to line up the hole right here on the delta ring. You have to line up the slot on the weld spring, and you have to line up the slot on the snap link. Once you line up all three, you should be able to push the gas tube in. If you can't push the gas tube in, it's because you have not lined up the tube properly, okay? There's a little play in this tube, either one way or the other. You want to try and line this ring up. When you torque this to 60 pounds, you want to line this up so the slot is right at the top. And then you'll be able to push the gas tube through once you line up the hole, the weld spring, and the slip ring. Okay?